Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to configure fixed amount of on order subtotal offer type in promotion. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to your promotion and click on edit and configure fixed amount of the order subtotal. So this will be applied for all the orders, which is applied for all the orders. I'm going to give 100 rupees. So this 100 rupees will be applied for all the order which you are ordering, and I'm going to save it. Add product to your cart. Add to cart. Your order. Checkout. So this promotion I'm going to apply coupon from this. Copy the coupon code and apply here. Apply. So you can see the 100 rupees is deducted from the subtotal. Continue to review and pay and complete the purchase. Okay. So this is how you need to configure fixed amount of for order subtotal. Okay. And that's it about today's video. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.